In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a button background color using site styles in Chrome. To begin, open your page in the editor and look toward the upper right area of the canvas preview. You should see the floating control tools that let you manage the design of the page. From there, click the paintbrush icon. This opens the site styles area, which is where you can adjust the visual theme of your page without manually editing code. If you do not immediately see it, make sure you are clicked into the page editor and not another settings panel. Once Site Styles is open, go to the Colors section. This is the main area where your theme color settings are organized. Depending on the layout, you may see these options in a side panel, drop-down, or style drawer, but the goal is the same. You want to enter the color controls for your site's design system. Next, move your cursor over the page preview itself and hover over the button you want to update. Then click that active button element. This is a very helpful shortcut because it tells the editor to automatically focus on the style settings connected to that specific component. In other words, instead of searching through all theme options manually, the editor helps target the correct button styling rules for you. After that, look for the color control next to the button background setting. In many setups, this appears as a small color circle or preview box beside the relevant background parameter. For example, it may be labeled something like button background under your primary theme options. Click that color circle to open the color picker. Now choose the new background color you want to use. You can select a color from the preset palette if you want a quick, consistent option, or you can paste in a custom hex color code if you already know the exact shade you need. Using a hex code is especially useful when you want brand consistency across multiple buttons or pages. Take a moment here to preview the change and make sure the new color looks good against the button text and the surrounding page design. When you are happy with the update, click Save. This applies the new button background color to your theme settings. That's it. Your button background color has now been updated through Site Styles. If needed, repeat the same process for other button types or theme variations to keep your design consistent throughout the site.